To the activity center because we have to go and do our timeshare, our hard time with the timeshare people, because we were able to get most of those activities that we did, like the island tour and also the luau from last night. We were able to get them for like really inexpensively, like cheap. So now we gotta go listen to these people about this timeshare stuff. Those are the parents way back there. I don't know what they're doing. They're so funny. We're touring inside of one of the 2 bedrooms here at Kona Coast. So this is pretty cool.
Golfers. Are you golfers?
No. No. Snorkel?
Snorkel? Yeah?
Yeah,
did
sure.
you get in the water while you were here?
I did, and I cut my foot like really bad on the rocks.
So if you're used to staying someplace like that, imagine always spending that same money on a hotel like this by getting your whole entire condo. Not to say you always have to stay in a condo. Sometimes I think I would like to sit by the pool, and then sometimes I think it's too loud.
We finished our timeshare. Now we're going to Walmart. All the way to Hawaii to go to Walmart. This is Daisy's looking at flowers.
Wow, look at this.
How much is that?
I don't know. It's decorated.
$10. It's pretty though. Walmart's the same in Hawaii as it is in Florida. Really the same store. Like we've walked into any other Walmart anywhere else. The same store. Does anybody know what this is? It looks so weird. It says 30 and then some letters there. I'm looking for a picture. It's kind of weird. It's like eating itself. One of my favorite bloggers, Nikki and Jamie, they always talk about Tim Tams and how they love them. So that's really cool. They're $2.50 here in Hawaii. Tim Tam. Yeah. They don't have plastic bags in Hawaii, so I have to buy these shopping bags here. You're evacuating a tsunami. Why would you be running towards the water?
Hey, pretty baby, am I in your way? You want I'm so fresh yesterday. No,
Hello, baby. Hello.
Here to stay. So tell me what you want. Tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away.
Hey guys, it's my last night here, and I really wanted to catch the sunset. My parents are like in the room. They're attending to the pizza that we bought at Walmart. I am trying my best to get the sunset over here. It's right there. I really hope that my camera will focus a lot better than that because it looks so pretty.
I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be.
Can you guys see the sun?
I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
Good morning, vlog live. I just had breakfast at my parents' place, which is literally right next door. And now I need to pack all of that into this tiny ass suitcase. Well, it fit in there when I was coming, so I was gonna have to fit back in there. Bought some stuff, but everything's gonna fit in there. So I'm leaving my Hawaii. Going to Kona Airport. The Polynesians, I think, inspired it. So it's literally, the airport isn't like roofed or anything. It's not in like a building. It's literally a bunch of little tiki huts, and I'll show you later. We have a 10-hour flight from Kona to LAX and then LAX to Orlando. We made it! We're back, basically, where we came before. We're waiting for our flight. The plane's not here yet, and we're supposed to be going into gate 1.
It's not my fault, you know I had to walk away. It's been 5 years and now one of us has changed. We say we're trying, but we just stay the same. And the truth is, I think we're better off. Me, myself, and I, at least give it a try.
What is he blowing?
Bagpipe. It's our last plane.